Okay, so welcome back. If you're just joining us, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace and a tiny product lab. And as promised, I am going to share some of the framer based designs that I've personally purchased that have made a significant difference in my ability to learn framer, as well as just designs that I think are really worth investing in if you are, building a brand, building an agency, or building a business, and this sort of service is something that you're interested in offering. There's no affiliate commission here. I'm not, none of these people are my friends. I don't know any of them personally. So this is, I hope, a pretty, pure recommendation. All right, so Lee Black, his 1042 studio is fantastic. It's a fantastic resource for designers. If you hear snoring in the background, that is Ziggy, my pug, who's sleeping at my feet as always. But essentially, the stuff here in his membership community and this all access pass, etc., is just phenomenal. I'm a dummy when it comes to design and certainly with Framer, but I've learned a ton using and working with some of these tools and templates. The thing actually that brought me into Lee's orbit was this here as a writer and somebody who creates lots of tiny courses and books and things like that. Um, this is just a fantastic interactive tool for someone like myself who would never be able to design something like this for my own community. So I bought this actually separate from his membership, and then once I saw how easy that was to use, I basically just looked at everything else he had available and just said sign me up. So I bought other things of I bought the membership to his community, and it's just a fantastic collection of stuff. Even though most of it is outside of my pay grade when it comes to design jobs. All right, another great recommendation is EasyFast.design. This is Nick. I don't know how his last name is pronounced, so I won't botch it. But I actually purchased this when I was at the very beginning of my interest in Framer, and it was this theme here that actually appealed to me. I think this is now free. Obviously, it is free because you can see it says free. But the thing that's impressed me so much, which I actually tried, so there's a lot of designs here which are great. If you're an agency or you're working with clients who have a lot of portfolios sorts of products or needs. That's not really my use case, but I've learned a lot using his designs that have really helped me in my own personal growth. But the thing about Nick, which I thought I had written somewhere in here, maybe I didn't. So I guess I didn't, but nonetheless, he's a good dude. I don't know him personally, but when I bought this membership way back, years ago or a couple of years ago, it like included everything that he would, create later in time. That was part of the, sort of marketing incentive. And the truth is, having been around this business quite a bit, just the digital product business and the entrepreneurial business, most people who say that do some sort of later end around or some sort of, they change their. I want to see actually where I'd actually documented this a little bit better, but nonetheless, I can't find it. So I'll just tell you by memory that, you know, at some point his business model or his design brand changed, and I just assumed that all those initial promises about all the future templates was just going to be not honored because that's the end around that people do. They say, oh, we this is a whole new business, therefore this doesn't apply, and he or the original promise doesn't apply to this new brand store or what have you. And that wasn't true in this case. Everything that he's created since, that he's included, at least to my knowledge, he has sent to me and people like me, I guess, who bought early as a link, to download it for free. And that's just a fantastically appealing quality in an entrepreneur. You really kind of want to, tether yourself to people who are most likely to follow through on those sorts of promises. It tells you a lot about them as a human being, which ultimately is really important. All right, this here is a fantastic um, uh, tool again for someone like myself who teaches a lot of things on a Gumroad, and we have if you go to tiny.pathright.com, you can see our courses there, which are in the number close to 50 at this point. Um, but something like this that is a slide based tool that's designed in Framer has really been exceptionally easy for me to use and to create tiny courses that are really, really, helpful and fun for my audience. This here is another theme that I just bought a couple weeks ago. I just found this, stumbled across this on the Framer marketplace, and it just is a great, fun, little site for agencies that I think is just really attractive. I found myself looking at this quite a bit before I even bought it, which was my way of telling myself this was just a lot of fun, to play with, and that it would be a nice thing to actually be able to offer if we wanted to do some design work for mental health professionals, therapists, mindfulness teachers, etc. In particular, these pages here are like colorful, they're cool, and we're building something called Trippy Therapy, which is a very power of positivity oriented project that I think something like this would be really appealing to people who are just sick of all the dystopian kind of nonsense out there, especially the Figma file that came with this. I bought the extended license, which was quite affordable. It was under $100, and it came with a Figma file. So all of these, designs here, the boxes, the geometry, etc., is all prepackaged in Figma, so I could use that as well for my own purposes. All right. This here, Collecto, I just bought this as well. This is a fantastic, really hyper minimal, but really beautiful, like directory for curated content. It has some very, I see some of this is being cut off, so I'll show you. It has some really nice pages. I love the reveal on the footer, but I love this stuff here. Like it just has really great branding pages. So if you go to the brand section here, this is really kind of what sold me on this. Is each, um, you know, every product has a brand attached to it, and you can really, build out like a complete, branding sort of marketplace that looks great. That's perfect for, if you're trying to expand the products that you're recommending on a site like this, you want your site to look great. If it doesn't, and you're a new affiliate or you're seeking partners, it's kind of hard to sell them on your site if it looks shitty and you're using some WordPress plugin or some, generic design from 2012. This is really beautiful. Has some really kind of cool little features, and it was another great deal. It was under $100. It was an easy purchase. Here's one more theme that I really love that I think is I've covered this before, but it's for delivering brand guidelines to your clients that they can then use for their clients. So rather than sending folks a PDF or a Canva file or a Figma file, you're actually developing this like fantastic, live site for your clients that they can show off to their own audience, right? So, that with their, let's see, their assets, their photography. I'm starting to rush through this because Ziggy is snoring, and I think he's starting to get a little restless. He's looking up at me, so I'm going to try to finish this quickly, as you can hear by that big snore. All right, so it's just very cool. I really like this a lot, and that's why I included it. And I think it's a great business opportunity for those of you who are looking to sell services to clients in a unique and sort of very differentiated sort of way, because most people are not doing that. I think it's a great opportunity to make that happen. All right, here's another one that's a Notion based marketplace, which I really like. And this one here, I'm going to show you too. It's curation from, his name is Ali, I believe. I forget how to pronounce his last name, so I won't. But it's another fantastic design from a really great designer who I really actually like and appreciate. And his use of topography and all that sort of stuff is really world class to my eye. And I think this is a fantastic curation template that's free. So that's the lead that I'm sort of burying here. At least as I record this on the 28th of July, it's 100% free, which makes this a fantastic way of starting a curated collection of content for a side hustle project, for your own publishing platform, etc. It's just a fantastic way of getting started. Again, I'm completely a sort of novice designer, but I found this here. His name's Ali Kurik. That's not him, but that's his name. And I actually provided a link in the Notion doc to his portfolio. Most of his stuff, as of this recording, is free, and I highly recommend checking out his work. Okie doke. Let's see if there's anything else. I'm going to share just really quickly, out of fairness, this one too, because I didn't cover this one. I love this. It's fantastic for Notion documents, as you can, or Notion workbooks and templates and things like that. As you can see, I'm using Notion for this. So I wanted to actually get a template, a marketplace style template that actually looked great, that has the ability to showcase Notion based designs for people who are familiar with what Notion looks like if we're going to be offering workbooks and templates and that sort of thing to our clients and community. It also has this very cool effect here, which I really like. I bought this a while ago, probably in the last, I don't know, 6 months, 8 months maybe. I really haven't used it on a live site, but I just love looking at it and playing with it, and it's just a really perfect sort of design for folks who are selling Notion-based designs, right, or Notion-based content, which I've accumulated so many different like workbooks and things like that, for my own, kind of digital product, process, and working with clients and teaching people using Notion, that that's something that we're looking at doing in the fall as well. So here you go. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Again, I appreciate you listening. If you have any questions about any of this, feel free to ask. Thanks so much. I'm also going to post this on YouTube, so if you're watching this there, thanks. And if you have questions, I'm happy to answer them. Have a great day. Thanks again.